Namaste, welcome to sisterekaskitchen.com. Today I am making Pesarattu. Pesarattu is a protein-rich South Indian breakfast. It is made out of whole moong. To make Pesarattu, take 1 cup of whole moong, wash them thoroughly and soak them in water overnight. Here my moong beans have been soaked well. If you are making for breakfast, you can soak them in the previous night, or if you are making it for lunch, you can soak them in the morning. Now I am going to drain the water and grind the soaked whole moong with some water and some salt. Okay, here I ground my moong beans into a smooth batter. If you forgot to soak the beans in the previous night, don't worry, you can still make the batter. In the morning you just wash the dry beans and grind them with some water and salt. So you will get the same kind of batter. But the soaked beans are more digestible. They don't produce more gas like the dry beans do. For Pesarattu, I usually make two kinds of toppings. The first one is onion and green chilli. The second one is ginger and cumin seeds. I finely chopped all three of them. Now everything is ready. Let us make Pesarattu. My cast iron pan is on high medium flame. Cast iron pans are the best choice to make dosa, Pesarattu and chapati. Apply a little bit of oil on the pan with a brush or a cloth. Now take a ladle full of batter and put it in the center of the pan and spread it evenly in a circular motion to make a round Pesarattu or dosa. Sprinkle some finely chopped onion and green chilli all over the Pesarattu. This is our first kind of topping. And apply some oil. You can use butter, ghee or any other oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Press them slightly with the spatula. Let it cook on medium flame. If you cook on medium flame, it cooks evenly and you do not have to flip it to the other side. You can take it out when you see the change in color in the center. Loosen up around with the help of a spatula and fold it in the center. Take the Pesarattu into a serving plate. If there are any crumbs on the pan, you can remove them and apply some oil. Take another ladle full of batter and put it in the center of the pan and spread it in a circular motion to make a Pesarattu. On this Pesarattu, I am making my second kind of topping with finely chopped ginger and cumin seeds. Most of the South Indian breakfast varieties like upma, idli, dosa are filled with carbohydrates, but Pesarattu is rich in protein. Ginger chutney goes very well with Pesarattu. Another good combination for Pesarattu is upma. Instead of making suji upma, I made millets upma. Millets contain more fiber and other nutrients. So here is my healthy breakfast, Pesarattu with ginger chutney and millets upma. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this healthy recipe and enjoy with your family. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Please visit my Telugu channel also. I will give the link below.